In this tutorial, I'll be comparing MailerLite versus System.io versus Brevo. We'll be looking at what they do, the different features, how the free plan works, and also which one makes the most sense for you. I've included links in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to sign up to these platforms for completely free, and in turn it will help to support the channel. Now let's dive in. To kick things off, what is MailerLite? MailerLite is an email marketing platform that's known for being simple, clean, and beginner friendly. With MailerLite, you can create newsletters with a drag and drop editor, build simple automation flows, for example, welcome sequences or basic funnels. You'll also be able to create landing pages, websites, pop-ups, and forms, and you can segment your audience and track basic analytics. Also, on their free plan, as you can see right here, with MailerLite free plan, you'll be able to add up to 500 subscribers and up to 12,000 emails per month. You can also create websites, landing pages, forms, and basic automation. And on their paid plan, which begins at $9, you'll get access to numerous features, and you can go up to their advanced plan, which is $18 per month. So I would think of MailerLite as a newsletter plus light automation tool that's great when you mainly care about sending good-looking emails and growing a small list. On the other hand, what is System.io? System.io is an all-in-one online business platform. Instead of just sending email, it gives you sales funnels and landing pages, also email marketing and automation with unlimited emails on all plans, online courses, memberships and communities, blog, website builder, affiliate program management, and also order bombs and one-click upsells and more. And with their free plan, which is one of the major selling points, they offer a free plan that you can add up to 2,000 contacts, unlimited email sends, and free sales funnel, and one blog, one course, and one workflow, and also basic automation and split testing. And their paid plan, as you can see right here, starts off at $17 and it can go up to $97. System.io is built to be your entire funnel plus product delivery engine, not just an email tool. And last but definitely not least, what is Brevo? Brevo is an email and messaging platform that focuses on value and flexibility. With Brevo, you can send email campaigns and transactional emails, build basic and advanced marketing automation, use SMS, WhatsApp, chat, CRM, and some automation tools depending on plan. The big difference when it comes onto Brevo is how they charge. Pricing is based mainly on email sent and not the number of contacts. On the free plan, you get up to 10,000. On the free plan, you get up to 100,000 contacts, but only 300 emails per day. And their paid plan begins at, as you can see right here, $9 and it can go up to $499. Brevo is great if you like the idea of lots of contacts, flexible email volumes, and optional SMS and CRM in one place. Now with this in mind, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose MailerLite if you want a clean, easy newsletter tool to grow a small to medium list, and you like the idea of a free forever plan for a small audience, then cheap upgrades as you grow. Or you're not ready for a full funnel or course setup yet, and you just want to send good emails and capture leads. While on the other hand, I would recommend you go with System.io if you want to build an online business and not just an email list. Or you need landing pages, funnels, email sequences, and course or membership hosting in one place, and you love that the free plan already gives you up to 2,000 contacts and unlimited emails, so you can launch without paying upfront. And I would recommend that you choose Brevo if you're okay with a daily limit on the free plan but want the ability to store a lot of contacts, you like paying based on email volume, not list size, and you want room to add SMS, WhatsApp, CRM, and transactional email later as your business grows. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.